Welcome. Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro. First of all, open your phone application. Then on the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option. And now for unlocking, for example this last one, need to click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And we got success message that this number was unlocked. So once again this number and click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.